Hi, welcome back to Mike Makes It. We're back at the old truck again. Bad weather, rust problems and all that. A couple of years ago, here, it was all bubbling up. Rust had got through the member at the back and was blistering. So we tapped that out, ground it back, metal plate in there, welded it and filled it. And that's all good now. It's been like a couple of years. But this channel in here from the bulkhead can get water in it through ingress, through these hinges at the top, the window blocks at the top. Various ways water gets down here, trust me. This hinge here, this hinge, water will get in behind this tubular cross member. And there is a drain at the bottom. There's a hole underneath, but that'll get blocked with mud and everything else that you drive over. So that needs to be cleared out quite regularly. Otherwise, you'll end up mud getting built up in there, water, rust scale will drop down there, and before you know it, you end up with a hole like I had here. Now the same thing has happened on the other side. We'll go round. Now again, I have repaired this. I didn't video it, I just repaired it. Same thing, knocked out the old rust, ground it back, made it clean, rust preserver went in, metal plate, welded it up, almost flush, then we had body filler to finish it off. But what I want to show you underneath the car, where the hole is, where you want to make sure it's kept clean and clear, so if you get any water run down it, it's able to get away. Because on both sides that wasn't happening and I wasn't aware of this trap. Clearly I am now, so what I do every year, I'm going to put some of this up it again. It's Dinitrol ML. They claim it's pretty good super penetrating, corrosive prevention, stops existing rust, and it's brown. I don't really fuss what colour it is, but it does the trick with the rust. Because that other side was done a couple of years ago, and yeah, it looks great. So we'll get under the truck, we'll have a look at that hole, then I'm going to squirt a bit of this up each side just to hopefully hold a bit more rust back. So yeah, under the vehicle we go. Right, okay, we're under the truck, at the front, under the driver's area. You got your mud flap going on here, as you can see. Straight above that, where the screwdriver is, that's the void, or the hole that leads into that channeling I was telling you about. Now, it's a fairly big hole, but you imagine you get some mud there. Before you know it, that's blocked up, and all the water's going to build up, rust scale, and before you know it, like on mine, you've got a couple of holes going on. So that's where you want to be clearing. Just trying to get away so you can see a little bit better. But yeah, so in a moment, that's why I'm going to stick that pipe you just saw and squirt a bit of that Dinitrol up. So yeah, same thing's obviously on the passenger side, but you want to look at that, clear that out, because you're going to get problems if you haven't already. There's not really too much I can show you here, but you saw the hole. This is where the pipe's going to go. I've put a little bit of plastic sheet in, or polystyrene actually, on the floor to help catch some of the drips, because this rust proofer that I'm going to use is quite thin, so it does run back on you. So see if we can get as far up as we can. The pipe's not very long, and the last thing you want to do is crush the pipe, because your day's going to end badly on that, because the can will explode on you. So here we go. I'm just going to blow some of that up then so I can see it running back on me. There you go, you can see it coming out now. So a little bit more. I'm going to squeeze and retract at the same time. Yeah, there we go. Climb out the vehicle. We don't spray a lot. We just get that in shot. So it certainly gets it up there, and I'm going to do that on the other side. And yeah, pretty much that's what I feel you need to do. I've done that over the years, and certainly the repair I've done on the other side has been there 2-3 years, no problem since. So I'll leave a link in the description. Dinitrol, I believe you pronounce it. This is the ML Super Penetrative Rust Proofer. Very liquidy. The same range, the Dinitrol, they do a black under seal, and there's a waxy finish that'll go inside your chassis. So I'll leave all the links in the description. Hopefully maybe this has helped you. You may have found it interesting. If so, a thumbs up would be great. Anyhow, thanks for watching.